Class 9th Mathematics, Chapter 7, Triangles, Exercise 7.3, Question number 3. Question number 3. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Using RHS concurrency rule, prove that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Solution. Given that BE and CF are two B and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC, of a triangle ABC. Okay, B and CF. Okay, B and CF are equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle BCE and in triangle CBF. Okay, in triangle BCE, triangle CBF. Okay, CF is equal to CF is equal to CF is equal to BE. CF is equal to BE. Okay, given. BC is the common side of two triangles. Okay, BC is equal to BC, common side. Okay, and angle BEC, and angle CFB, two are 90 degrees, equal to 90 degrees. Angle BEC is equal to angle CFB. Angle CFB is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, by RHS concurrency rule, triangle BCE is congruent to triangle CBF. Okay, triangle BCE congruent to triangle CBF. Okay, by CPCT rule, in triangle by CPCT rule, EBC is equal to FCB. Okay, by two triangles are congruent triangles, by CPCT rule, EBC angle EBC is equal to angle FCB. Angle FCB by CPCT rule. And but these are also interior angles. Okay, interior angles of opposite sides AC and AB. Okay, opposite side AC and AB. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, but therefore AC is equal to AB. Okay, angle B is equal to angle C, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle.